So the tools you're going to need for this install is a small ratchet, an extension. I'm using 2 small ones, a 7mm socket. However, because I have a different intake system, mine requires also an 8mm socket. So if you have your stock system in place, all you need is 1 socket, a ratchet, and an extension tool. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this clamp right here with the 8mm. So I disconnected this side of the pipe. Now I need to just gently nudge this piece out. This sits in a little rubber grommet to keep it in place from moving around. I'm going to nudge it out, and then I'm going to pull. So it's sitting like this, so I'm going to pull back and then twist on this pipe after I have released it down there. And you could see how you release it with this 7mm socket. From the turbo end, you go in from the fender well right there, and you just put your socket with the extension. This is where you need the extension for, and then you turn it out, you loosen it all the way out as much as you can. You can pull on it with your hand if you want to, or you can come to the top of the engine and pull back. So now I removed it. This is the small hole that I had to drill for the UPR catch can. I didn't want to tape it or put something on there. I just wanted to replace it. Do not have any contaminants go into the turbo tube or have to worry about a leak. Let me do a quick recap. We needed a 7mm socket. If you have an updated intake like mine, I used an 8mm socket, an extension, and a ratchet. And you're gonna have to imagine it this way. This side is on the turbo. You can access it from right here at the fender well. And if you go back in the video, you'll see the footage. I'll display photo one more time. And then you will loosen the intake side first. You undo your clamp on both sides. You start from the top. You massage, twist it, and pull out. It's going to be a little bit tough for you to pull it out, but don't worry, you're not going to damage anything. It's just a rubber clamp on there. If you have any questions or you want help with an install, please don't hesitate to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will leave a link to our site in the description below. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.